As we are also learning more details that are emerging at the Liverpool Football Club has also released the statements. A Liverpool FC parade accident as is concerned. Now the Merseyside police have revealed that a 53-year-old white British man who is believed to be the driver of the car has been arrested. The police have stated that they were not currently looking for anyone else in relation to the incident. All right, Arzu, police say Liverpool parade collision, not terrorism, and now the person has been arrested. What are you picking up in this regard?
Well, the incident happened in the heart of the city, and that's why we saw the prompt action by the police. And now it has come forward that the driver, a 53-year-old British man from the Liverpool area, was arrested at the scene after the vehicle stopped. And Assistant Chief Constable said at the late night news conference that investigators were not treating the crash as terrorism and believe it had been an isolated incident. The police have not revealed the identity of the suspect who was arrested at the scene yet, but have confirmed that he was 53-year-old white British man from the Liverpool area. The authorities believe that this was an isolated incident and are not looking for anyone else in this, in relation to it. And importantly, they have also ruled out terrorism as the motive behind the attack. So it is being said that it is the isolated incident and not the terrorism as the motive behind the attack. And earlier Monday evening, in fact, the police said in the statement that the extensive inquiries were being made to establish the circumstances leading to the collision, and asked people not to share distressing content online. In fact, it is being said that during the celebration victory parade, no vehicle was allowed to enter that particular parade area. But after that, also after those, the rules that were prompted, that was regulated. After that, also how the car entered, the brief information has not been given by police yet.